And just like that, we're back with yet again another update on Pepe. Appreciate you guys as always. Happy Christmas to everyone celebrating today, and of course, happy holidays to everyone that's not celebrating. Hope you guys are having a great time with the loved ones, just relaxing, recharging yourself up for a great year ahead of us. And anyone that's been here with me on this channel for quite some time, what a great journey it has been in just the last 12 months. I'm not new to crypto, as you guys know, but the last 12 months have been life changing for a lot of people, especially the ones that been here since then. I'm sure if you've been accumulating crypto over the course of the last 12 to 14 months, I'm sure your portfolio is looking absolutely amazing right now. And that's what the patience does. That's what your due diligence research really does. But yeah, here we are yet again. Hopefully, we do have a really great year. And sometimes, you just want to kind of put aside, money aspect to it. You want to always, wish for, greater health, and of course, greater health and well-being for your loved ones. Because at the end of the day, guys, that is the most important thing. I repeat that, and I'll say that 100 times, because of course, when you're really tied into making the gains, and so you kind of forget about the important things. And let me tell you, I've been through the both parts of it. I'm just giving you guys a little bit of a rant, but it's really important to not forget about this, because when you're just like chasing money, it is great, of course, because you want to give yourself and your loved ones a good life. But at the end of the day, even once you get that money, it's just really important to focus on the more important things. But yeah, anyhow, enough with the rant. If you're looking at Pepe, it's up 4.3% today. So is the broader market. Price currently sitting at 1888, as you can see, still 4 zeros in front of the price, up 4.5% in USD comparative. We're up 1.3% in Ethereum comparative. We're actually seeing a little bit of a lag in Bitcoin comparative right now. Market valuation around $8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $2.1 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're focusing on the holder count, 361,211 holders. So, of course, something that, we are used to seeing day in, day out, new holders coming on board for Pepe, which, of course, is a great thing that I look at. And I would recommend you guys to take a look at it as well and not ignore this part. But, looking at the overall meme coin market, over the last 24 hours, broader market is actually up. A lot of coins seeing double digits as well. Of course, like I said, people are thinking it's Christmas, Santa is here, which is quite funny to see. But, these are right things to be saying, because it looks like Santa is here. Because if you're looking at the last 24 hours, a lot of coins up, Fart coin going insane. This other AI coin, A16Z, absolutely insane, up 40% right now over the last 24 hours. Turbo's up, Pudgy Penguin is up. I'm going to give you guys a Pudgy Penguin update. But yeah, I'm not surprised about this move at all. But yeah, you're seeing the broader market moving, which is great to see. If you're looking at the dominance, dominance is pulling down and has been pulling down since, December 20th, which is great to see. Bitcoin, of course, made its way up to $99,500 just earlier, yesterday morning. Of course, at the time of recording, we're past midnight, and you can see, we did go back above that range, but never really managed to, crack past $100,000 price point. I think that will come, but these moves should not be ignored, and this kind of explains why you are seeing, the broader market going up the way it is. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with Pepe right now. What's really happening with Pepe, and of course what we could be expecting. So as you can see, I don't even need to shift our focus towards the hourly, which I will do, but we know that wick down to that 1459 just a few days back. But since then, a beautiful bounce. If you want to put this into perspective, we have seen a bounce of about, you could say, 33%, but look where we're finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out of that key resistance. And again, not a surprise, these resistance levels that we speak about day in, day out are not just random levels that I'm making up. These are important levels to be looking out for. And you guys can see we've seen, actually, I don't even need to shift to the hourly time frame. I can see a few wicks at this key resistance. Clearly, that resistance is coming as a little bit of a hurdle for the price. But now with that said, let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame. So you could see this for yourself. We did see a beautiful bounce towards the upside, that resistance playing as a little bit of a rejection for us. And, of course, the price is, rejecting at that range. But so far, so good. A 35% move for anyone that got in around that range. You'd want to see this resistance kind of breaking out, especially around, I would say, 19 76, most importantly, the 2000-ish zone. If it's able to break around that and obviously close it into support, I think, the next major resistance, which we've been speaking about, the 2205 zone could be on the table. And if you want to put that move into perspective, the 2205 move is around a 16.55% move. This would not come as a surprise to me at all if we're able to break out of this current resistance that we're facing. So far, so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. One step at a time. Want to see this resistance breaking out, turning into support, and then we'll take it from there. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal thoughts on the year of 2025? What are you projecting? Of course, there's going to come a time in the year of 2025, as I projected. I think early next year, we're going to see maybe, once Donald Trump takes office, the market booming, and then I think after that you kind of see a little bit of a cool off shakeout, and then boring momentum to shake out the weekends, and then the market picks up. Obviously, if we do see multiple different indexes launching a lot of bullish news for the crypto space, we could be having a completely different conversation. But as things are going right now, I wouldn't be surprised if that were to happen. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.